Now that is a big cactus.
Subscribe to American Explorer. The Sonoran Desert is home to a variety of cactus, prickly pear, cholla, and beryl. But the undisputed king of the desert is the saguaro. And arguably the best place to view these magnificent cacti is here in southern Arizona at Saguaro National Park. Saguaro National Park is split into two portions on either side of the city of Tucson, named the Tucson Mountain District to the west and the Rincon Mountain District to the east. The area was first named a national monument on March 1st in 1933 in the waning days of Herbert Hoover's presidency, and quickly transitioned to a national park under FDR's administration. One of the visionaries behind the park was Homer Shantz, the president of the University of Arizona, who envisioned a great natural area for maintaining the botanical and zoological forms of the Southwest under natural conditions. The park's namesake, the saguaro, is without question the most iconic cactus in the world, and it's only found in one place in the world, the Sonoran Desert, which stretches through Arizona, California, and northern Mexico. Saguaro can grow to over 40 feet tall and live well over 150 years. Although not all saguaro grow arms, the ones that do won't grow those arms until they're 75 to 100 years old. During a heavy rain, the saguaro will absorb water, expanding like an accordion. A fully hydrated saguaro can weigh in at over 2 tons. Saguaro in this region have had a tough time in the past century though. In order for a young saguaro to grow, it needs the shelter of a nurse tree to protect it. In the early days of this region, many of the nurseries were cut down by settlers and trampled by cattle. This caused an offset in new saguaro, and so through the 60s, 70s, and 80s, as the older saguaro died out, there was no new growth to replace it. The saguaro have recovered some from those early days, but changing climate is creating hotter, drier summers and more freeze events in the winters. The future of this western icon is still very much unknown. Flora and fauna aren't the only draws to the park. Scattered throughout the hills are petroglyphs, most notably here at Signal Hill. These rock etchings were made by the Hohokam people, who lived in the region over 500 years ago. The meaning behind these drawings, we don't know. Was it simply an early form of graffiti? A signal to others? A prayer to the heavens? The true meaning is lost to time. If you find yourself in the Tucson area, be sure to check out Saguaro National Park. Just try not to get poked.
Oh, we got a bleeder. Oh boy.
Subscribe to American Explorer.